Some of these foldable Amazon gadgets can turn from pocket size into full-size tools in seconds, while others hide features you would never expect from something that folds. A few of them can even change the way you travel, work, camp, or create videos. The most surprising gadget is waiting near the end, and it does something most people have never seen before. Let's get started. Number 15. LuminAID Packlight Max 2-in-1 Solar Lantern. The LuminAID Packlight Max folds almost completely flat, but it turns into a bright inflatable lantern a few seconds after you open it. The soft, air-filled body spreads light evenly, instead of creating one narrow beam, making the entire area much brighter. Solar panels on the top recharge the built-in battery during the day, while a USB port gives you another charging option when sunlight is limited. The battery can also send power to a phone or another small USB device during an emergency. The waterproof body floats on water, keeps working in heavy rain, and folds flat again without taking the lantern apart. Coming in at number 14, Cool Bottle Twist. The Cool Bottle Twist shrinks into a short spiral that looks nothing like a regular water bottle, but it stretches back to full size with one simple pull. The flexible silicone body expands section by section until it holds a full bottle of water. Thick food-grade silicone keeps the bottle flexible, while helping it keep its shape after thousands of twists. The wide opening makes it easy to add ice cubes, refill with water, or clean the inside without special brushes. A leak-resistant cap seals tightly, while the flexible body twists down again without removing or folding separate pieces. Sitting at number 13, HydraPak Seeker 3L. The HydraPak Seeker 3L rolls into a bundle that fits inside one hand, but it unfolds into a large water container that holds 3 liters. The flexible laminated material expands as water fills the inside, creating a lightweight reservoir without stiff plastic walls. Strong side loops let you clip it onto backpacks, hang it from branches, or carry it with one hand. The threaded opening works with many popular outdoor water filters, allowing clean drinking water to flow directly into the container. After the water is gone, the body becomes soft again and rolls tightly without leaving hard, empty space inside your backpack. Now at number 12, JisuLife FA53 Foldable Desk Fan. The JisuLife FA53 hides an adjustable standing fan inside a body that folds into a compact round shape. The center pole lifts upward from the base, changing the fan from a low-profile travel size into a taller cooling fan. The fan head tilts to direct airflow higher or lower without moving the entire unit. A rechargeable battery powers the motor, allowing the fan to keep spinning without staying connected to a power outlet. Multiple speed levels change the airflow with a single button, while the quiet motor keeps the blades moving smoothly. Every folding section closes back into the base, leaving nothing to remove or assemble. Taking the number 11 spot, Conair Travel Smart Folding Handle Hairdryer. The Conair Travel Smart Hairdryer folds its handle against the body, but it opens into a full grip that feels almost like a standard hairdryer. The powerful motor pushes steady airflow through the nozzle to dry wet hair without making the dryer bulky. Separate heat and speed controls let you change the airflow for different hair types and styling needs. Dual voltage support switches between different electrical systems, allowing the dryer to work in many countries with the correct plug adapter. The folding handle locks firmly into both the open and closed positions, creating a solid grip during use and a compact shape after folding. Number 10. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro folds into a compact block, but 4 powerful arms swing out to reveal a camera drone that can capture incredibly smooth 4K HDR video from the sky. Tiny sensors around the aircraft watch for trees, buildings, and other obstacles, helping it fly around them instead of crashing into them. The camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal that keeps every shot stable, even when the drone changes direction or flies through windy conditions. Active Track follows a moving person, bike, or car automatically, while the controller shows a live camera view the entire time. After landing, every arm folds back against the body without removing a single part. Coming in at number 9. 12 South Curve Flex. The 12 South Curve Flex folds into a surprisingly flat shape, but hidden hinges lift a laptop high above the desk in just a few seconds. The aluminum frame opens into different angles, letting the screen move higher for video calls, writing, or editing. Strong hinges lock each position firmly, preventing the laptop from slipping while you type. Open sides allow air to move freely underneath the computer, helping reduce heat during long work sessions. Rubber contact points keep the laptop steady while protecting the surface from scratches. Every hinge folds smoothly back into the frame, leaving a slim profile that fits neatly inside its travel sleeve. Sitting at number 8, Maft Invisible Laptop Stand. The Maft Invisible Laptop Stand stays completely hidden under a laptop, making it almost impossible to notice until it suddenly changes the computer's angle. Thin folding panels unfold in seconds to lift the laptop into a more comfortable typing position without adding bulky legs or separate parts. Strong adhesive keeps the stand attached to the bottom of the laptop, while the lightweight material adds very little extra weight. 2 different viewing angles let you switch between comfortable typing and a slightly higher screen position. After use, every panel folds flat again until the stand almost disappears beneath the laptop. Now at number 7, ProtoArc XK01 Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard C. The ProtoArc XK01 folds into 3 connected sections, but opening the hinges reveals a full-size keyboard with wide spacing between the keys. Bluetooth lets it connect wirelessly to phones, tablets, and laptops without plugging in cables. A built-in touchpad lets you move the cursor, click, scroll, and control many devices without carrying a separate mouse. The rechargeable battery keeps the keyboard working through many typing sessions before needing another charge. The hinges close smoothly along the original fold lines, turning the full keyboard into a compact rectangle that easily fits inside a jacket pocket or small carrying case. Taking the number 6 spot, Anker Mag Go 3-in-1 Foldable Charging Station. The Anker Mag Go 3-in-1 Foldable Charging Station unfolds into a compact charging hub that powers 3 devices at the same time from one small body. A magnetic charging pad holds a compatible iPhone in place, while supporting different viewing angles during charging. Another charging area powers compatible wireless earbuds, while a dedicated charger lifts an Apple Watch into an upright position for nightstand mode. Strong internal hinges keep each section stable after unfolding, preventing the charging pads from moving during use. Every charging surface folds neatly back together, turning the entire station into a compact, travel-sized block with no loose parts to carry. Number 5. ESR HaloLock Geo Wallet Stand. The ESR HaloLock Geo Wallet Stand snaps onto the back of a compatible iPhone, but one hidden hinge turns it into an adjustable stand in seconds. The magnetic body holds several cards while keeping a slim profile against the phone. A built-in Find My module connects with Apple's Find My network, allowing the wallet to appear on a map if it goes missing. The stand opens to support both portrait and landscape viewing, making it useful for watching videos, reading, or video calls. Powerful magnets keep the wallet attached during daily use, while the stand folds completely flat against the back when you close it. Coming in at number 4, Ubisize 12-inch ring light tripod kit. The Ubisize 12-inch ring light hides a full-height tripod inside its folded body, and every section extends to create a complete content creation setup. The telescoping legs spread outward into a stable base, while the center pole rises to different heights with simple locking clips. The ring light surrounds a phone holder, placing the camera directly in the middle of the light for balanced lighting during videos and live streams. Brightness and color temperature change with onboard controls, allowing warm or cool lighting without changing bulbs. Every section collapses neatly back together, leaving one compact unit instead of several loose pieces. Sitting at number 3, Flextail Tiny Pump 2X. The Flextail Tiny Pump 2X fits in the palm of your hand, but a tiny motor inside pushes enough air to inflate sleeping pads, camping pillows, vacuum storage bags, and inflatable cushions. Different nozzle attachments twist onto the front, allowing one pump to work with many types of valves. The same motor also removes air from vacuum bags, shrinking clothing and blankets into much smaller packages. A built-in LED light adds another function by providing illumination around a campsite or inside a tent. Every accessory stores inside a compact carrying pouch, while the rechargeable battery powers multiple inflating jobs between charges. Now at number 2, DJI Neo. The DJI Neo folds advanced flight technology into an incredibly small drone that can lift off directly from your hand without needing a traditional launch. Built-in AI automatically follows your movements, keeping the camera focused while you walk, run, or ride a bike. Quick shots create cinematic flying patterns with a single tap, allowing the drone to circle, rise, or pull away before returning automatically. Electronic stabilization keeps recorded video smooth even while the drone changes direction. Protective propeller guards surround each rotor, giving the compact aircraft extra protection while flying close to people or objects. Finally, taking the #1 spot, Hodo 3.6-volt electric screwdriver. The Hodo 3.6-volt electric screwdriver hides a powerful electric motor inside a smooth aluminum body that feels more like a modern gadget than a toolbox. One button drives screws in, while another reverses the motor to remove them without changing tools. A ring-shaped LED light around the bit automatically lights dark spaces, making screw holes easier to see inside furniture, cabinets, and electronics. Magnetic precision bits snap firmly into the front, allowing quick changes between different screw types. USB-C charging powers the built-in battery, while the compact storage case keeps every bit organized inside a clean folding layout that opens like a premium tech accessory.